Hi guys, Kirby here. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be recording me unboxing a woman. Alright, let's open it. Sorry for the bad camera quality. Come on, get the box. Come on. Right. We can... It's hard to do this with one hand. Ignore the bad movie. It's hard. Oh. I feel something spiky. And look at her. She is in bubble wrap. Can't wait to pop that later. Haha, if you know what I mean. Haha. I'm not pointing it the right way. God. Come on. Come on. There she is. I need scissors. I need scissors to cut this. No, that didn't help at all. I won't be surprised if I break it. Don't jinx it. There we go. Oh, well, it's not broken. As you can see, it's just how it's yeah, come on. Come on. There she is. There she is. I pointed that way. Don't want to look up there. I mean, I do, but like, not now. God, what do you think I am? Perfect. Jeez. God. Who do you think I am, Cody? Man? God, what a loser. Alright? Alright. Yeah. Heard that sore loser bought a coterie figure. What kind of sore loser would do that? Huh? Oh, don't look at that. Those are my bongos. Bongos. Right, there you go. That's her stand, and that concludes God left me unboxing.